On Republic Day, the nation honoured martyred soldier Lance Naik Hemraj of Mathura, who was beheaded, remember, by Pakistani soldiers, the LOC, very recently. But two families who went through the same heart-wrenching anguish are observing a hunger strike in Haldwani and Khatima, demanding that the Indian government recognize the sacrifice of their loved ones as well. Their stories did not make it to national headlines, but their tragedy and grief was just as profound. Havaldar J.S. Adhikari and Lance Naik Devinder Singh were both beheaded by the Pakistan Army's Border Action Team in Kupwara district of Jammu and Kashmir. This was in 2011. This act of brutality was shockingly hushed up. The government then reportedly asked the families of the slain soldiers to stay silent, but the families could no longer hold their peace after the families of Hemraj and Sudhakar were honoured even as their own loved ones were forsaken. And now the families are seeking justice. Adhikari's widow Beena and Devinder Singh's family are demanding that the Indian government at least acknowledge the sacrifice of their loved ones and bestow the same honour upon them as they have on the other martyrs.
एक बॉडी को लागे हमको कुछ दिखाया भी नहीं, क्या हुआ कैसा हुआ, बस इसके बाद आगे मैं कुछ नहीं जानती भैया। बस
आपको बॉडी भी नहीं दिखाई?
नहीं दिखाई, कुछ नहीं दिखाई, दिखाने के योग ही नहीं था, बल हमको कुछ नहीं दिखाया उन्होंने, बस लाइव बॉक्स में लेके बस हम लोगों ने कितनी हिम्मत करके उठे, उन लोगों ने आवाज उठाई, लेकिन हमारे साथ ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ। हमारे साथ बस हो गया, आई खबर, बस सब हम लोग चुप हो गए, बस हो गया, बस यही हुआ हमारे साथ। बस
आपको लगता है जिस तरह से मथुरा में जिस तरह से
होना चाहिए, यही हम लगा मुझे होना चाहिए ऐसा करके, उन लोगों ने उतनी आवाज उठाई, उन लोगों ने
मतलब जिस तरह से मथुरा के परिवार में आर्मी चीफ भी मिलने गए, इतने सारे नेता मिलने गए, सबने कहा कि मदद करेंगे। आपको लगा कि आपके साथ भी ऐसा होना चाहिए था?
होना चाहिए, हमको लगा, हमको भी कि होना चाहिए हमारे साथ भी ऐसा करके।
जब 2 दिन बाद वो बॉडी यहाँ हमारे गांव में उनके घर पे पहुंची और वो बॉडी हम किसी को हमने दिखाने का आग्रह किया, किसी को दिखाई नहीं गई और उनके बच्चों को भी वो बॉडी दिखाई नहीं गई और उनका पूरे सम्मान के साथ अंत्येष्टि की गई। लेकिन राज की हत्या जो हुई थी, लगभग उसी तरह की हत्या वो 1 वर्ष पूर्व उनकी हुई थी। हम यही चाहते हैं कि शहीद जयपाल को वही राजकीय सम्मान, सैनिक सम्मान, वही सब अधिकार मिलने चाहिए जो जिसके लिए अभी स्वर्गीय हेमराज के लिए बात चल रही है, बड़ा बलिदान देने के।
Well, sacrifices that have been forgotten by the nation, by the government. Let's speak more about this. Let's get in our correspondent Rukmani Vishwanath, who now joins us from the Headlines Today newsroom. Rukmani, it's extremely unfortunate, the kind of treatment that we've been talking about meted out to these two families, sacrifices, like I said, that have been forgotten. The big question is the government now going to realize where they've gone wrong?
That is the big question, Nida, and really stories like this make you want to hang your head in shame at a time that we are celebrating the 64th year of India being a republic, on a day that we honor all our fallen centennials and our soldiers and our heroes. It really brings up a lot of uncomfortable questions. A couple of quick points, Nida. The families here were not even allowed to give their loved ones a decent farewell, a decent send-off. The last rites could not be performed properly. They also question why the entire matter was hushed up, unlike in the case of Hemraj. Let me also tell you that Beena Adhikari is raising 2 children. The widow of Adhikari, of Havaldar J.S. Adhikari, is raising a 3-year-old and 5-year-old. Devinder Singh's family is living in abject poverty and in dire straits. They have not been recognized. Their loved ones have paid the ultimate price for performing their duty, and their sacrifice is completely gone in vain and not recognized by the government or the state. And this is something that really hurts them, and they're asking the government for the same kind of honor that was bestowed on Hemraj and family.
Rukmani, many thanks for having joined us with those details coming forward on this story.